How to fix TikTok live server upgrading error. If you're facing this error, then the first thing you want to do is launch open your device settings. Now simply tap on connections. Here select Wi-Fi. You want to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data and check. Next thing you want to do is scroll down and then tap on the option of software update. Here make sure that you have updated to the latest software. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you have not connected to a VPN. If you have, simply disconnect from it. Now restart your device. Go ahead and tap on the restart option. Once you have restarted, launch open TikTok and check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then go ahead and launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to type TikTok and search for that. Now, if you find the update option, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. You can also tap on the uninstall option, then reinstall it again from Play Store. Now launch open TikTok and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.